Do you know how to count in Japanese? Do you know how to count in Japanese? In English, we just have 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And in Japanese, we do have just the regular way of counting, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But what we have are things called counters. And counters are used to count different things. For example, people, places, things, animals, money, time. We all use different counters in Japanese. And today we're going to learn 5 must-learn Japanese counters. So let's go. First of all, we're going to be starting off with 2 counters that are called universal counters, which we can use to count pretty much everything in Japanese, except for people, money, and age. And to count from 1 to 10 in this way, we use tsu. You count like 1つ、2つ、3つ、4つ、5つ、6つ、7つ、8つ、9つと. And the other one, we add 個 at the end, and we count that as 1個、2個、3個、4個、5個、6個、7個、8個、9個、10個. These can be used to count pretty much everything in Japanese. For ko, you normally use them for smaller things, smaller objects like bottles or anything else. But you can use it for pretty much everything else. When we count people in Japanese, we use ri or nin at the end. So we say 1人、2人、3人、4人、5人、6人、7人、8人、9人、10人. And if we use ko or tsu in this instance, it's very rude because you're pretty much saying they're objects and it's very derogatory. So don't say that. Use ri. For example, if you have 3 siblings, excluding you, you'd say 私は兄弟が3人います. If you say 3個います, they'll be like, what the fuck is this guy talking about? The next one. This one is very important because you don't want to sound rude or you don't want to sound stupid when ordering drinks in Japan. So these are for beverages and we use hai. So 1杯、2杯、3杯、4杯、5杯、6杯、7杯、8杯、9杯、10杯. So for example, in a scenario you're ordering 3 drinks for yourself because you can. It's not weird. You'd be like, すいません。ビール3杯ください。すいません。ビール3杯くださいな。Yeah, so that's how you use that. And then the last one you should know is hon or pong. And these are used to count long, thin objects. So, sticks, books, anything thin. That also includes dicks. No matter how thick they are, as long as it's not a chode. I mean, even if it's a chode, you'd still use hon. And that's 1本、2本. No books, actually. Why did I say books? Just things that are long and thin. And then you count that as 1本、2本、3本、4本、5本、6本、7本、8本、9本、10本. If you happen to come across 10 dicks, you'd be like, チンコが10本あります。チンコが10本あります。私の前にチンコが10本あります。So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. This will come in handy, so hopefully you are able to use them properly. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.